Join me as I explore how AI can help boost my YouTube income and streamline my content creation process. AI is making waves in many industries, and YouTube creators are beginning to see its potential. Whether you're a new or experienced creator, AI tools can be game changers for boosting your earnings and simplifying your workflow. Monetizing content on YouTube is challenging. From perfecting ad placements to negotiating with brands or simply getting your videos noticed by the right audience, it's tough. And with YouTube algorithms always changing and new platforms emerging, it's harder than ever to stay relevant and profitable. One major struggle for creators is the time it takes to create quality content. Between scripting, filming, editing, and publishing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if you could streamline that entire process? AI tools can help you optimize your workflow, saving you time while boosting your income. Another key challenge is understanding your audience, what they want, and how to engage them effectively. AI-powered analytics tools can give you deep insights into your viewers, helping you create content that truly resonates with them. Even with tools in place, creators often face burnout. AI can reduce this by automating tedious tasks, helping you stay creative and inspired. It's not just about making your videos SEO-friendly. AI can help you craft more engaging, personalized, and profitable content. So, what does AI-powered content creation look like? AI can optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions for better visibility. It can also suggest new video ideas and formats that your audience craves. With AI-powered editing, you can elevate your visuals and animations, making your content stand out. One exciting AI tool for creators is using chatbots to engage your audience in real time, providing a more interactive experience. AI can also analyze viewer feedback to give you an accurate picture of how your content is being received. Take Michelle, a beauty YouTuber who is struggling with her growing channel. By using AI editing tools and analytics, she was able to cut down her workload and increase her income by 50%. Her story shows how AI can revolutionize content creation and monetization for YouTubers. As AI continues to shape content creation, it's important to stay adaptable and innovative. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, AI can help you unlock new opportunities and grow your income. What are your thoughts on using AI in content creation? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want more tips on how to make money online or discover the best AI tools, be sure to check out my other videos.